So I just got a package from Dr. Ceuracle, so let's open it. This is the first package I received in Korea, so it's very exciting. So they sent me 3 items. First product is vegan alkalizing hand cream. This is perfect because I've been looking for a hand cream. The one that I have smells really nice, but it's not as moisturizing. So hopefully this will moisturize my dry ass hand. It smells very nice. It's lightweight. It feels very nice too. It's not like a thick, heavy hand cream. It absorbs really quickly into the skin, so your hand doesn't feel greasy after. I know a lot of hand cream does that, and it's the worst. Next, I got the vegan kombucha tea sleep mask. This is cute. Also comes with a nice spatula. Ooh, I could already tell this is going to be great for anyone with dry skin. This product helps to deliver long-lasting hydration, and it also revitalizes your skin. Let's try a little bit. Oh, it's buttery. Smells nice too. Okay, I thought it was going to be like thicker, but it's pretty lightweight. So I think it's actually great for all skin type. This is really nice. I'm actually gonna try this tonight. I'm excited to try this. I've been looking for a really good night cream or sleeping mask. And lastly, I got the Tea Tree Purifying Toner Pad. I need a good tea tree product because I get really bad hormonal acne, and tea tree is great for anyone with acne. I think I might add this to my makeup kit because it exfoliates, it calms the skin. And when I'm doing makeup, a lot of people have dry patches. So this will be great to exfoliate those dry patches. Okay. These pads have really unique shape. It's a triangle, which is very different. Oh, and it's quite thick. Oh my god, it's very, very cooling. So if you have like redness on your skin, I think this will be great to help cool down the redness. And it doesn't have that strong tea tree scent. And it's very, very juicy. Shout out to Dr. Ceuracle for sending me all these products. I can't wait to try them. Make sure you follow to see my review on these products.